In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and understand trading fees on Robinhood. Whether you're new to investing or just looking to get a clear picture of what you might be charged, I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to look and what these fees mean for your trading experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Robinhood account. If you're using a computer, just head over to robinhood.com and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the account button, which you'll find right at the top right corner of the page. This is where you can access all your account-related settings and details. After clicking on Account, you're going to want to select the Help Center. The Help Center is where Robinhood stores answers to most common questions, as well as detailed guides about their services, including their fee structure. Now, in the Help Center, take a look for the search bar. Go ahead and type in fees. This will bring up several articles related to fees, but the one you want is titled Trading Fees on Robinhood. Click on this article to open it up. Inside this article, you'll be able to scroll down and see a breakdown of every type of fee you might encounter when buying or selling stocks and trading options. This information is laid out clearly so you can get a full understanding of what to expect for different transaction types. There are a few key things to keep in mind as you review the fees. Buying and selling US stocks and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, is commission-free on Robinhood. That's one of the features that makes Robinhood so popular for newer investors and those who want to minimize costs. However, although there are no commissions, there are still tiny regulatory fees that you'll pay automatically when you sell. These are required by law, and Robinhood shows them on the confirm screen before you complete your trade, so you won't be caught by surprise. If you trade options, you should know there are small per contract fees, which are also clearly listed in the article. These are a fraction of $1 per contract, but can add up if you're trading frequently. Lastly, if you're considering using margin, that's when you borrow money to invest more than your actual balance. Be aware that Robinhood charges interest on margin loans. It's important to review the current margin rates and understand how this will affect your overall costs. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily locate and fully understand any trading fees on Robinhood, helping you make smarter financial decisions as you invest. Thanks for watching and happy trading.